Did you know that as an OWWA member, you are eligible for certain loans? As an OFW or sailor, you can use these loans to start a business or expand an existing one, allowing you to earn more money and provide for your family. This is particularly true for OFWs who intend to return to the Philippines permanently. There are both livelihood loan programs and financial aid programs aimed at assisting Filipinos working overseas in returning to the Philippines. Since 1977, the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWWA has been protecting and promoting the welfare of overseas Filipino workers and their families. It currently has 31 overseas offices in 27 countries, making its programs and services more accessible to Filipinos all over the world. Among these OWWA benefits and programs are loans that OFWs can use to start their own business or enterprise. In this video, we will be talking about OWWA's loan programs, who can apply, how much they can borrow, interest rates, and other relevant information. Many OFWs dream of starting their own businesses when they return home. It's a good idea to start saving a percentage of your salary for future investments. OWWA offers a variety of funding options to help you get started with your own company. You can realize your ambition as an OWWA member by taking advantage of the following OWWA loan programs. 1. Overseas Filipino Workers Enterprise Development and Loan Program or OFW-EDLP. As the name implies, this loan program aims to assist OFWs in starting their own businesses, allowing them to generate a profit and eventually eliminating the need for them to leave the Philippines and be apart from their loved ones. OFW-EDLP stands for Overseas Filipino Workers Enterprise Development and Loan Program, and was previously known as the OFW Reintegration Program. The Development Bank of the Philippines or DBP, and the Land Bank of the Philippines are collaborating on this project. Under the OFW-EDLP program, the loan amount depends on the specific need and amount of equity of each borrower. Individual loan borrowers, single proprietorship, can borrow at least 100,000 pesos up to 2 million pesos, whereas group loan borrowers, e.g. cooperatives, corporations, partnerships, can borrow at least 100,000 pesos up to 5 million pesos. For the duration of the loan, the interest rate is 7.5% each year, and the equity must be at least 20% of the total project cost or TPC. Furthermore, the loan should be used for working capital and/or the purchase of fixed assets. Who is eligible to apply for this loan? The following are the requirements. Has completed the Enhanced Entrepreneurial Development Training and is an OWWA member, active or inactive. If the OFW is married and currently working abroad, his or her spouse may represent him or her. If the OFW is single, separated, widowed, or widower, his or her parents, who are not more than 60 years old, or his or her children, who are at least 18 years old, may represent him or her. Note: the EEDT is a training program that equips OFWs with financial, business management, and other related information and abilities. 2. Helping the economy recover through OFW Enterprise Startups or HEROES Loan Program. Although the HEROES Loan Program is technically not an OWWA program, being an OWWA member is one of the conditions for this loan. The HEROES Loan Program is run by the Department of Trade and P3 Fund, DTI. It is administered by the Small Business Corporation or SB Corporation, a government-owned and regulated organization that strives to assist micro, small, and medium-sized businesses, including those run by OFWs. SB Corporation, for example, has set aside 100 million pesos. The program, which aims to assist repatriated OFWs who have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 outbreak, is worth $1 million. They will have the opportunity to become entrepreneurs and support their families as a result of this program. Under the HEROES program, repatriated OFWs can borrow at least 10,000 pesos up to 100,000 pesos, without interest and collateral. However, for loans with repayment terms of 24 months, there is a service fee of 6%, whereas for loans with repayment terms of 36 months, there is a service fee of 8%, and the loan terms are inclusive of a 12-month. Those interested in applying for the HEROES loan program should be aware that, among other things, they will need to produce a video presentation about your business idea, which should include the nature of the firm, market opportunity, managerial capabilities, and so on. Is there an OWWA personal loan available? OWWA does not currently provide personal loans. It only provides business loans, such as OFW Enterprise Development and HEROES Loan Program, which are aimed at helping small businesses grow. However, the agency offers financial support programs, scholarships, welfare programs, livelihood cash assistance projects, and other special initiatives that include cash aid, but these are not personal loans. How to get OWWA Calamity Loan? Calamity loans are not offered by OWWA. Instead, it provides calamity assistance. This is a unique initiative for OWWA members and their families who have been impacted by natural disasters like flooding, typhoons, or earthquakes. The cost per member is 3,000 pesos. Calamity assistance is not a loan, thus you are not required to repay any funds to OWWA. What is the existing OWWA loan for seamen? Seafarers have the same borrowing alternatives as OFWs. OWWA does not issue any type of seaman's loan. Rather, land-based and sea-based OFWs can apply for business financing through the agency. As a result, seafarers can still apply for the OFW-EDLP program and benefit from other cash assistance programs such as scholarships, business livelihood, welfare assistance, social and health benefits, and so on. You can apply for business loans regardless of whether you are a seafarer or not, as long as you are an active member of OWWA and meet the loan requirements. How to get OWWA salary loan? If you're wondering if OWWA can provide you a salary loan, the answer is no. For OFWs and sailors, there is currently no OWWA salary loan. Salary loans are typically the first sort of loan that they can apply for through banks, lending firms, or private organizations. OWWA, on the other hand, does not have one on hand. We'll keep you updated if anything changes. If you wish to acquire a loan from OWWA, you can only use the livelihood loan programs right now. Is there an OWWA housing loan? To be clear, the OWWA does not provide housing loans. OFWs, on the other hand, can seek housing loans through the Home Development Mutual Fund, the Social Security System or SSS, commercial banks, and other institutions. HDMF is a government-owned organization that provides Filipinos with affordable housing financing and a national savings program. OFWs can qualify for housing loans and home improvement grants. Meanwhile, among other services, the SSS provides a direct housing loan facility for OFWs. OFWs can apply for a mortgage loan through this service. This program is available to Filipinos who are a. Currently deployed abroad, b. currently awaiting deployment or renewal abroad, c. citizens or immigrants in other countries who wish to purchase a home in the Philippines for their families, or d. long-term overseas residents who wish to purchase a home in the Philippines for their retirement and/or for their families. FAQs on the OWWA Business Loan. Returning OFWs will benefit greatly from OWWA's OFW, Enterprise Development and Loan Program. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions concerning the program. 1. What are the businesses that would qualify for the OFW-EDLP loan? Applicants who are engaged in the following businesses may apply for the loan program: franchising business, rental business, construction business, service trading business, transportation service, agricultural and non-agricultural production, contract tie-up with the country's top 1,000 corporations, and other viable projects, whether existing or new. 2. What are the requirements in applying for the OWWA loan? To qualify for the OFW-EDLP, you need to prepare the following requirements: application form, 2 valid IDs, proof of billing address, sketch of place of residence, business plan or proposal, statement of assets and liabilities, barangay certification of residency, and certificate from OWWA stating that you are an OFW and that you have completed the Enhanced Entrepreneurial Development Training or ET. 3. Where can I learn more information about the EDLP program? If you are eager to know more about the OFW-EDLP, you can contact OWWA or Land Bank of the Philippines through the details below. 4. Can I apply for an OFW loan from OWWA even if I am not an active member? To be eligible for an OFW loan, you must be an active member of OWWA. Please activate your membership by paying a one-time cost of $25 for a 2-year period. The OWWA mobile app has also made it easier for you to apply for membership. 5. Where can I inquire for more information about these OWWA programs? If you want more information about OWWA's loans or other OFW programs, you can go to the nearest Polo OWWA office if you're currently abroad, or the nearest OWWA Regional Welfare Office in your province. Overseas Filipino workers, particularly those affected by the epidemic, can reconstruct their lives through the Overseas Filipino Workers Enterprise Development Program OFW-EDLP, and the Helping the Economy Recover Through OFW Enterprise Startups or HEROES loan program. They can look forward to creating revenue and supporting their family here in the Philippines by starting their own enterprises or improving current ones. OWWA, Land Bank, DBP, SB Corporation, and other partner institutions make these activities feasible. You can apply for business loans to help you grow your business as long as you are an active member of OWWA. So make sure your OWWA membership is up to date.